Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of UNI, BCH, WBTC, XLM and SUI. So before starting the technical analysis, it is a reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. So let's begin the technical analysis. I have opened the chart of UNI against the USDC on 1 day time frame. So if we discuss about its trend, currently it is in its downtrend. It gave the breakdown of this symmetrical triangle formation at 12.380 on 25th January 2025, and after that it exposed the final target of 8.018. And if you look at this candle that was made on 3rd Feb 2025, in its week it has already achieved its final target. So right now it is just consolidating above its final target. So if you have bought it and you are now stuck into this coin and you want to get exit from this coin, so it can give you a chance to exit from this, and that exit point will be at 11.106. So I will not recommend you guys to go into buying this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. So the next coin is BCH against the USDC. So if we discuss the trend of BCH against the USDC, so currently it is moving in its downtrend, like the previous coin. It gave that breakdown of this symmetrical triangle formation at 406, and it exposed the final target of 278. 278 on lower size. So if you look on this candle that was made on 3rd Feb 2025, in its week it has achieved its final target. So right now the prices are consolidating just above this final target, and if you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you want to get exit from this coin, so it can give you a chance to exit from this coin. So that exit point will be around 384. If the prices come at this price and you want to get exit from this coin, this level would be the best level to exit from this coin at at lower losses. So I will not recommend you guys to go into this coin for buying until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. So I will discuss coins mostly on 1 day time frame on my YouTube videos. If you want to get timely breakout and breakdown alerts on shorter time frames, like on a 4 hour time frame, 30 minute 1 hour time frame and 30-minute time frames, you can join our free Telegram and Facebook groups. Their links are given in the description. There I keep on updating and sharing the timely breakout alerts. So for that you can simply join these groups. Their links are given in video description. The next coin is the WBTC. Well, if we discuss the trend of if we discuss the WBTC against the USDC, currently it is consolidating in the channel formation, where the support of this channel is at 92,000 and the resistance of this sideways formation is at 1711. And if you want to go for buying into this WBTC, then you need to make sure that you get prices at 92,000, and you can go for buying around this level, and you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below this level. And after that your first target will be around 97,000, and your final target will be at 107,011. So this will be your final target. So the price is just consolidating, so you can go for buying in at a support level and the selling at the resistance level, but you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below your buying levels. The next coin is XLM. So So if we look at the chart of XLM against the USDC, So currently it is consolidating in a channel formation where its current prices are at 0.3439 and its resistance is at 0.4197 and its support is at 0.2371. If you want to go for buying into this kind, you need to make sure that you get prices at 0.2371. That is the support of this channel formation, and you need to put your stop loss below this trend line, and after that your first target will be around 0.3595 and your final target will be the resistance of this channel, that is at 0.4197. So the next coin is after XLM, the next coin is SUI. If we look at the SUI against the USDC on 1 day time frame, it is in its downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this ascending channel formation at 4.1252 on 26th of Jan 2025, and it exposed the final target of 2.5694. And if you look at the candle that was made on 3rd Feb 2025, it achieved its final target in its week, and it gave its closing above 3.6497, and the prices currently are moving at 3.3097. And if you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin, it can give you a chance to exit from this coin at 3.7250. So you can exit from this coin at this level. This will be the level where you can book your loss with minimum loss. Otherwise you have to book your huge losses if you miss this opportunity. So I will not recommend you guys to go into buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. So I will keep on updating about the trends of these coins on my this YouTube channel. So if you want to get timely alerts about the trends of these coins and timely breakout and breakdown alerts of these coins, simply subscribe my channel so you don't miss any informative content like this in upcoming days. So, and if you want to get a timely breakout alerts on on shorter time frames like 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, and 30 minute time frame, so for that you can simply join my free Telegram and Facebook groups. Their links are given in the video's description. So now I hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so you don't miss any informative content like this. That's all for now. See you in next video.